Every local business wants to rank higher on Google, attract more customers, and dominate the local search results. But here's the secret that many business owners do not realize: link building plays a crucial role in local SEO. While most people focus on optimizing their Google My Business profile and adding keywords to their website, they ignore the power of backlinks, which can significantly impact their rankings. Local link building is about acquiring high-quality backlinks from websites, businesses, and directories in your area. These links signal to search engines that your business is relevant, trustworthy, and valuable within your community. But not all backlinks are created equal. Some can skyrocket your rankings, while others can damage your reputation. If you really want to take your SEO career to the next level, enroll now in Transform Academy Limited Advanced Marketing courses via our website www.whattransformacademyof.com and continue your journey to a high-paying SEO career. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to Transform Academy's YouTube channel for more expert digital marketing content. In this video, we will break down the most effective local link building strategies that can help your business outperform the competition. By the time you finish watching, you will know exactly how to get powerful local backlinks that boost your search engine rankings and increase website traffic. Watch until the end because you will discover an advanced link building method that most businesses overlook: getting backlinks from local businesses and directories. One of the easiest ways to start building local backlinks is by getting listed in local directories and collaborating with other businesses in your area. These types of backlinks are incredibly valuable because they show search engines that your business is part of a specific community or region. Local business directories such as Yelp, Yellow Pages, and Google My Business provide excellent opportunities for businesses to gain exposure and acquire authoritative backlinks. When your business is listed in multiple directories, Google sees it as a trusted local entity, which can improve rankings and local search results. Apart from directories, another powerful strategy is forming partnerships with nearby businesses. For example, if you own a coffee shop, you could partner with a bakery, a co-working space, or a local bookstore. You can exchange backlinks by featuring each other on your websites, sharing customer testimonials, or writing blog posts about each other's services. However, simply getting listed is not enough. You need to optimize your directory profiles by ensuring that your business name, address, and phone number are consistent across all platforms. Did you know that nearly 80% of local businesses lose potential customers due to inaccurate or inconsistent business information online? That means if your business name, phone number, or address varies slightly across different platforms, Google might not trust your business and customers might not find you at all. Even minor discrepancies like using street instead of street in one listing can confuse search engines and lower your ranking in local searches. To avoid this, you must conduct a NAP consistency audit, name, address, phone number, and ensure that every mention of your business online matches exactly. An easy way to do this is by using citation management tools like Moz Local, Bright Local, or Whitespark, which can help you find and correct inaccurate listings. The shocking part: even if you optimize your website perfectly, inconsistent directory listings can still prevent you from ranking in local searches. That is why cleaning up your business citations is an absolute must for local SEO success. Consistency helps search engines trust your business, which ultimately leads to better rankings. Guest blogging for local authority. Guest blogging is one of the most powerful link building strategies in digital marketing. But when it comes to local SEO, it becomes even more impactful. By contributing blog posts to local websites, newspapers, or industry blogs, you not only establish your business as an authority in your niche, but also earn valuable backlinks that improve your local search rankings. Finding local websites that accept guest posts is easier than you think. Start by identifying local blogs, business websites, or community news portals that cover topics relevant to your industry. Reach out to them with high-quality content ideas that provide value to their audience. For example, if you own a fitness center, you can write an article for a local health blog on the best outdoor workout spots in your city. Here's something most businesses overlook when guest blogging: your backlinks should not only lead to your homepage, but also to strategic service pages and location-specific content. A shocking 92% of businesses only build backlinks to their homepage, missing out on massive ranking opportunities for other key pages. If you are writing a guest post, do not just link to your homepage, link to your most important service or landing pages that target specific locations. For example, if you own a plumbing business with multiple service areas, link directly to your plumbing services in Miami page instead of just your general homepage. This approach helps Google understand your location relevance and significantly improves your rankings for location-based searches. Additionally, contextual backlinks where your link is naturally placed within relevant content carry far more SEO power than links that appear at the bottom of the guest posts. So always aim for natural and content backlinks to key pages. If you run a home renovation business, you can write for a local real estate website on how home improvements can increase property value in your city. When done correctly, guest blogging helps your business get exposure, credibility, and high-quality backlinks from trusted local sources. These backlinks act as a signal to search engines that your business is relevant and authoritative, making it easier for you to rank higher in local searches. Collaborating with local influencers. Influencer marketing is not just for big brands, it is a game changer for local businesses as well. Local influencers have highly engaged audiences that trust their recommendations. When these influencers mention your business or link to your website, it boosts your credibility and search rankings. Start by identifying influencers in your area who have an audience that aligns with your business. These could be food bloggers, travel vloggers, fitness coaches, real estate agents, or social media personalities. Reach out to them with a collaboration proposal where they feature your business in exchange for free products, services, or sponsorships. For example, if you own a restaurant, you can invite a local food blogger for a free dining experience in exchange for a review. Most businesses underestimate the true power of influencer marketing for local SEO. They think influencer marketing is just about social media exposure, but here is the real shocker. Backlinks from local influencers can increase your domain authority faster than most traditional link building methods. How? When a local influencer writes a detailed blog review about your business, they often link back multiple times to your homepage, specific service pages, and even your Google My Business profile. These links act as trust signals for search engines, showing that people are talking about and recommending your business. Even better, influencers often cross-post their content on various platforms, including YouTube, Facebook, and LinkedIn, generating multiple backlinks from different sources. This multi-platform exposure creates a compounding effect, boosting both your brand visibility and local search rankings. The best part? Unlike paid ads, influencer backlinks continue to drive traffic for months or even years after they are published. White hat versus black hat backlinks. What you need to know. When it comes to local link building, it is important to understand the difference between white hat and black hat backlinks. White hat backlinks are earned naturally through valuable content, strategic outreach, and ethical link building practices. These include guest blogging, business collaborations, and influencer partnerships. Black hat backlinks, on the other hand, are obtained through spammy, unethical techniques such as buying backlinks, using link farms, or adding links in unrelated directories. While these methods may give you a temporary ranking boost, they violate Google's guidelines and can result in severe penalties, including getting your website removed from search results. Search engines are smarter than ever, and they can easily detect manipulative link-building strategies. If you are still tempted by black hat SEO tactics, let me share a real-life horror story. In 2020, a well-known local law firm spent thousands of dollars buying backlinks from low-quality private blog networks. Initially, their rankings skyrocketed. They went from page 5 to the top of Google's local results within a few months. But then something disastrous happened. Google caught on to their spamming backlinks and issued a manual penalty. Almost overnight, their website disappeared from search results, traffic dropped by over 80%, and they lost hundreds of thousands of dollars in potential clients. It took more than a year and a complete SEO overhaul to recover. This case proves a crucial point. Shortcuts in SEO never work in the long run. Dofollow SEO backlinks and their impact on local search. Not all backlinks carry the same SEO value. Some links pass SEO authority to your website, while others do not. This brings us to dofollow and nofollow backlinks. A dofollow backlink is a link that passes SEO value from one website to another. These links help boost your domain authority, improve your rankings, and increase your online visibility. A nofollow backlink, on the other hand, tells search engines not to pass SEO value. While nofollow links do not directly impact rankings, they can still drive traffic and brand exposure. When building local backlinks, prioritize dofollow links from reputable, high-authority local websites such as news publications, business associations, and trusted directories. Did you know that one backlink from a high-authority local news site can be more powerful than 50 low-quality backlinks? That is because Google places enormous trust in news organizations and sees them as credible sources of information. If your business gets featured in a news article or mentioned in a local press release, the backlink from that site passes significant SEO authority to your website. By earning backlinks from local businesses, guest blogging, collaborating with influencers, and using ethical SEO practices, you can increase your online authority and improve your local search rankings. If you want to take your SEO career to another level, enroll now in Transform Academy Limited Advanced Marketing courses via our website www.whattransformacademyof.com and continue your journey to a high-paying SEO career. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to Transform Academy's YouTube channel for more expert digital marketing content. Let us know in the comments which link building strategy you will try first.